In this video, I'll show you how to set up two-factor authentication on any account. For this video, we'll take Google as an example. So to be able to set up two-factor verification, click on the top right corner of your screen and click on this Manage Your Google Account button. Now that will take you into this section. Now in here, go ahead and click on that security button. You'll find that at the left side of your screen. Now under this, you'll be able to find two-step verification under how you sign in to Google. Click on that and that will take you into this section. You need to turn on two-step verification by adding a mobile number into your Google account. So once we click on this, we'll be required to add a phone number, two-step verification, and another way for that is to actually use an Authenticator app. So you can find that once you actually click on cancel in here and scroll down into this section. So under this, you'll be able to find Authenticator. So click on Authenticator and click on Setup Authenticator. Now since we want to use a website, we can click on Can't Scan It. So copy this key that you can find into this prompt and head over into your Google Keep and paste that key. So make sure that you have a copy of that key. Visit 2FA.live. So this is the Authenticator app that we'll use for this. So head back into Google and copy the key that they gave. Now after you have copied that, go ahead and open another tab and head over into Google Keep. Make sure that you have a way to keep the key of your Google account so that in case Google requires it, once you re-access your account on another device, you have a copy of it on your Google Keep. Now head over into 2FA.live and paste the key into the section. Click on submit and you'll find the stream of numbers. So copy that stream of numbers and head back into your Google account. And once you head back into your Google account, click on that next button and paste that code into the section and click on verify. And that is how you can simply set up two-factor authentication on any of your account using 2FA Live. Thank you so much for watching and we'll see you in the next video.